Hello, today's lesson is 11-2 and it's called angles. You've learned about lines, points, and line segments. Today you'll learn about angles. I wanted to start by telling students the word angle is spelled and pronounced differently than the word angel. We talked about the spelling of these words and how they are pronounced. Look at the shapes of the letters L and V. How are they alike? How are they different? Students pointed out that both letters have angles, but that the angles are different in terms of their width. The L has a wider angle and the V has a more narrow angle. We tried practicing making angles with our arms today and just did a whole bunch of different angles, wide, narrow, etc. We looked at some pictures of angles as well, talked about their similarities and differences. We looked at three types of angles today: a right angle, an obtuse angle, and an acute angle, and we'll define those in just a minute. We'll say what they mean. The word ray means a part of a line with one end point. We talked a lot about the word ray and how it's used in non-math terms. Students were talking about x-rays, start at a machine and go into your body to take a picture. They talked about rays of sun that start at the sun and go out to the earth. So both are different examples of rays in real life. We talked about the word angle and we defined it using the word ray. When two rays have the same end point, they are angles. So look again at the angle at the bottom of the screen there and think about how it is just two rays, because it's two lines that have one end point and one part that goes on forever. And the two endpoints touch, they meet, so they are an angle. The vertex is the name of the place where the angle meets, where the two rays meet. The endpoint that they have in common is called the vertex. A right angle. A right angle is an interesting kind of angle. It is the kind that has a square shape to it. It's like the corner of a square. An angle that makes a square corner is called a right angle. An angle that's less open than a right angle is called an acute angle. Acute is a word that means sharp, so we can picture this as a sharp angle. It's kind of pointy, but it also means, sometimes we like to think of it as meaning a cute, as in a adorable, little angle. A lot of times things that are little we call cute, so it kind of is a good way to remember as cute little angle. An obtuse angle is an angle that's more open than a right angle. It's a wide angle. And that was it for today.